Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up text-to-speech option on your Samsung phone. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's jump to it. First go to the setting, then scroll down to the general management option, click on that, and you can see that the second one is text-to-speech. And here you can select the preferred engine. Here it is said the Samsung text-to-speech engine, and here you can select the languages and the voices. Here you have several options, and you can select the language, or you can select the use system language or the other languages. As well, you can select the speech rate, which can be slow or fast or somewhere in between, and the pitch, which can be as well low or high or in between somewhere. And if we click on the play,
this is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Yes, thank you very much. So if this video was helpful for you, then please consider subscribing. Wish you a beautiful day. Bye bye.